Hi guys! Welcome back on my channel. For today's video, dito po tayo sa may Amadeo, Cavite, along East-West Road. Ayan siya guys. So, dito yung ating project. And dito tayo with our friends. So, dito si Percy. Okay. Ito yung ating friend na si JC. Dito yung kanyang page. Ayan. And dito si Elaine. Ayan guys. Here is her page. Ayan. And then this is Rod. Ayan. So, nandito yung kanyang page, guys. Ayan. So, yun, if you're interested on this property, ayan. Ito siya, guys, oh. Ayan. So, pwede kayo mag-import sa mga pages na yan. Alright. So, yan, sasagutin kayo ng ating mga friends dito. So, itong ating property is just around 15 to 20 minutes from Tagaytay. So, it is located here on Barangay Pangil, Amadeo. So, siguro para mas makita nyo muna yung ating property is I will show you yung ating aerial shot of this one. If you're looking for a hold property, so ma-advise natin ito. This is our groundbreaking today. So interview natin yung ating friend here. Rod, what could you say on this property? Ano yung weather nito?
Well, this one, dapat pag pumunta ka dito, naka-jacket ka. Kasi
Naka-jacket?
sobrang lamig dito sa area, guys. This is along Amadeo, Cavite, and very near Tagaytay. Kaya naman, kumuha ka na.
Ayun guys. Elaine, tanongin natin if ano yung weather here. Elaine, ano ba yung masasabi mo sa weather dito sa Amadeo?
Sobrang lamig guys ng weather dito. And kahit magsihapon ng ngayon, oras na.
Oras na.
Ayan, 1:15. Pero tinan nyo naman yung weather, sobrang hangin.
Tignan nyo guys ha, outfit check, naka-jacket na makapal, North Face.
Naka-jacket pa ako,
guys.
naka-pants pa ako.
So legit talaga na malamig siya. Ito si Sir JC, tingnan natin kung ano bang masasabi mo dito sa property.
Yes, hello. Meron akong problema ngayon. Hindi ako nag-jacket.
Ayun, guys.
Grabe, ang lamig pala dito sa
Kahit
side.
tanghali, no?
Oo.
Ayun guys.
Actually, kaya tignan yung watch ko.
Ayun guys.
Sa work one.
Alright, on na guys. So yun guys, message nyo lang siya, nandiyan yung page ni RC, ni JC. And RC, ano masasabi mo dito sa property na to?
Guys,
Malamig ba dito? Or what?
Sobrang lamig, nakalimutan ko pa siya. And anyway, guys, meron tayong available ng commercial land. Why? Because it is soon to be, it's business district. Kaya, for guys, essential lang.
Ayun guys, so yun yung page ni RC nandito sa my screen. Ayan. So yun lang guys, nakita nyo naman there is available dito ng mga commercial, residential, and farm lots. No? So yun guys, if you're interested, message nyo lang yung mga page or my number. Ayan. And I hope to see you soon and to assist you or your dream property here on Amadeo, Cavite, near Manila. So via East-West Road to Calax. And daan dito guys, going yan to Mendez, to Indang, to 13. Yung kabilang daan, yung dito, daan dito, pag dinaretso nyo going to Silang, going to Calax Expressway, going to Tagaytay Sky Ranch, may daan din dyan. So ito siya guys, yung ating opening. Andito yung mga commercial lots. Dun sa likod is yung residential lots. Ayan guys, oh, kita nyo naman. Daanan nyo ng mga truck. Ayan, oh. So sa future, this will be a busy road. So good for mga naghahanap ng mga lot for business. Ayan yung soon to rise natin guys, oh. Kita nyo naman. Andun naman yung ating groundbreaking, no? Ayan, oh, kita nyo. Alright, so this will be going development na. Nakikita nyo yung mga equipment here. Ayan guys, oh. Ayun, oh. Ayun, oh. Ayan. So magkakaroon dito guys ng mga concrete roads, drainages, and more. So yan guys, ipapakita naman natin at the end of the video ano ba yung magiging itsura nito and ano ba yung magiging, ano ba yung perspective view of this property. Ano na magiging itsura niya after development. So yun.
Guys, yung sample na itsura ng ating projects kapag tapos na po siya. So, actually, ito is silang Cavite din siya. Ganito yung mga sample natin ng mga finished projects. So, no record house design po siya. As you could see, yan, depende po sa owner kung ano yung gusto nyo ipatayo na house. Ayan. So, different designs po yan. Magkakaiba po yung mga bubong. And pwede rin po magpagawa sa contractor nyo. And yan guys, may mga linya na rin yung Meralco for electricity. And meron na rin siyang water. At makikita nyo guys, malapad yung mga concrete roads dyan. Ayan. So, perfect na perfect siya for the getaway property. Meron ding basketball court, merong multi-purpose hall, and playground. Na talagang perfect na perfect para sa small family or you are with your kids para healthy living. Actually, maganda rin mag-walking dito. Lalo pagka madaling araw is naghahamog po dito. Dahil this property, ito pong develop na project natin is just around 8 minutes to Tagaytay boundary, no? Kaya napakalamig po talaga ng weather niya. So, ayan po yung ating video. Maraming salamat sa panonood. If you were interested, message nyo lang ako on my Viber or WhatsApp. Ayan po. Or if you are actually happy with this video, kindly hit yung ating subscribe button. And syempre, share more to other people. Baka naman magkaroon tayo ng other properties na magustuhan ninyo. So, yun lamang po. Maraming salamat sa panonood and God bless.